Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be introducing you to remote-controlled lighting by Lumini's DRX1. The DRX1 is an incredibly capable, compact spotlight, fully motorized and controllable in pan, tilt, dimming, and color temperature and beam angle. The DRX1 rotates 360 degrees in pan and 110 degrees in both directions for tilt. The DRX1 is available on 3-circuit U-track for Europe and the rest of the world, 2-circuit U-track for North America, a flat monopoint plate for North America, and a semi-recessed monopoint for Europe and the rest of the world. DRX1 has been designed for fitment into a track or surface that has been installed horizontally. It is not suitable to be fitted onto vertically mounted track or a vertical surface. The DRX1 is manufactured out of aluminium. Both the head and the body are aluminium. However, if you're using a fitting that is wirelessly controlled, the back of the case is manufactured out of a polymer to enable wireless communication through it to the receiver inside. The standard finishes for DRX1 are powder-coated in RAL 9010 white and RAL 9005 black. Other RAL colours are available on custom request, but it's worth noting that for a track-adapted fitting, the track adapter will remain white or black. The classic design of the DRX1's cylindrical head and rectangular body make it an unobtrusive addition to any interior. But beneath the surface lies the complexity of an exquisite lighting instrument. On the left-hand side of the case, you will see a switch mode power supply. This enables you to specify the DRX1 globally with a voltage range of 100 to 250 volts AC. It will also automatically compensate for frequency fluctuations of 50 to 60 Hz. The cylindrical head of the DRX1 is also the heatsink, and we have minimized the thermal interface between the LED and the atmosphere, maximizing the life expectancy of the LED. We test the movement of our DRX1 to 100,000 full pan and tilt cycles. We also incorporate clutches to enable either accidental or deliberate movement of either pan or tilt without fear of damage to the mechanism internally. Our proprietary in-house designed LED drive circuit uses pulse width modulation to enable dimming down to 0.1%. The PWM frequency we use is 1000 Hz, enabling you to take video in an event space without the fear of stroboscopic effects. The DRX1 can be controlled in pan, tilt, dimming, color temperature, and beam angle using either RCL's handheld controller, RCL's iPad app, RCL Control, or DMX. It's worth noting that a handheld remote will always be required to either address the DMX addresses in the fittings or pair a fitting to an RCL Control mediator box. The DRX1 can be dimmed using 0 to 10, 1 to 10, or DALI control systems. DALI has the added benefit of being able to recall previously recorded scenes using a DALI go-to scene command. It's worth noting that you will always require a handheld remote to move the spotlights for those control systems. The DRX1 is available with a multi-source 4-degree beam of 56,000 candelas and a single-source beam set of 6, 10, 22, and 34 degrees, each using a soft silicone optic by Gagion. This soft silicone optic enables low glare, intense, and highly efficient beams. The standard color temperatures available for DRX1 are 2700 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin, and 4000 Kelvin. We have a color tuning version of DRX1, and the range of color temperature is 2200 Kelvin to 3800 Kelvin. We also have a lens vector zoomable version of DRX1, enabling you a beam width range of 5 degrees to 55 or 10 degrees to 55 degrees. The DRX1 has an accessory holder available for it. To use it, Install your accessory, in this case a honeycomb louver, but it could be a glass lens, and clip it in to the front surface of the DRX1. You can feel confident in the fact that remote-controlled lighting use the finest quality of components for our mechanical and electrical systems in the DRX1. An example of this is the best-in-class thermal interface material between the LED and the heatsink. The body of the fitting is the heatsink. This minimizes the path that heat needs to flow from the LED to the outside world. This enables us to rate this fitting at L90B10, which put simply means that after 50,000 hours, you would expect the fitting to have 90% of the luminous flux it had when it was built. We use U-Track for the track adapters. This is because of their great global presence and high regard for quality control. The movement of the DRX1 has been tested to 100,000 full cycles of pan and tilt, giving us confidence in our 5-year warranty on all elements of the fitting. The DRX1 is a highly efficient, flexible, motorized spotlight suitable for any application where dimming and movement flexibility from the ground is desired. The DRX1 incorporates class-leading optics, giving exceptional beam efficiency with low glare and, with the addition of lens vector, enable complete beam control. The DRX1 can be integrated within existing and new lighting schemes, and our flexible approach to control protocols means it's an exceptionally adaptable lighting instrument. The proprietary in-house designed electronics allow the product to be specified in all markets and carry certification globally. Reliability is assured with extensive in-house testing, and the L90B10 rating ensures that any design intent is still valid 50,000 hours later.